Hey guys, Lewis here. Today we're comparing Kajabi and Mighty Networks, two powerful platforms designed to help you build and manage online courses, memberships, and communities. While they share some similarities, they're built for different types of creators. In this video, I'll break down their key differences, covering features, pricing, and who each platform is best suited for. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one fits your needs. Now, full transparency, I personally use Kajabi because I think it's the best all-in-one platform. But that doesn't mean it's the right choice for everyone. Mighty Networks has its own strengths, especially when it comes to community building. I'll walk you through both so you can make the best decision for your business. And if you do decide Kajabi is right for you, I've got a special 30-day free trial link, way longer than the standard 14 days, plus some exclusive bonuses, including my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900. More on that later though. But first, let's dive into the comparison. First off, let's break down how each platform works. Kajabi is designed for people running online businesses. It brings everything together in one place, like course creation, email marketing, website design, and sales funnels. On the other hand, Mighty Networks is all about building communities. It's built to give your members a place to connect and interact. When you visit the Mighty Networks website, you'll see it puts a lot of focus on a branded app. This app lets members access the community right from their phones. This mobile-first approach really makes it easy to stay connected anytime, anywhere. It also has great tools for organizing discussions, hosting events, and creating different spaces, or networks. Now, let's compare their pricing structures because they can significantly impact your decision. The Mighty Networks pricing begins with the community plan at $49 per month. It's made for building and managing a community. You can create your own community or move one from social media groups or chat apps. Plus, this plan comes with helpful features like events and polls. The courses plan costs $119 per month and is perfect for creators who want to share courses, challenges, and resources along with their community or membership. The business plan costs $219 per month and is the most popular choice. It combines community features with extra tools like live streaming and white labeling. These give you more control and let you customize things the way you want. This plan also comes with single sign-on, or SSO, and auto-generated polls. It's a great option for businesses looking for a professional and interactive experience. The Path to Pro plan costs $430 per month. It's perfect if you're looking to grow your revenue. It comes with dedicated services, advanced support, and white labeling options. Plus, it's packed with powerful automated workflows to make things easier for you. On top of that, this plan includes space banners and advanced automations. On the other hand, Kajabi offers the Kickstarter plan for $89 a month. It's a great option for building an online business. You get one website, one product, one community, 250 contacts, and 7,500 marketing emails. Plus, it comes with unlimited landing pages and access to Kajabi AI and Creator Studio. To make things smoother, there's also a group onboarding call that helps new users get started quickly. The basic plan for $149 per month gives you more than the Kickstarter plan. It includes 3 products, 10,000 contacts, and unlimited marketing emails. Plus, it adds third-party integrations, so you can easily connect with other tools and make your work even smoother. The growth plan costs $199 per month and is Kajabi's most popular option. It gives you one website, 15 products, and space for 25,000 contacts. Plus, you get unlimited marketing emails, landing pages, and third-party integrations. On top of that, it includes 24/7 support, affiliate programs, a custom domain, custom branding, multiple admin users, and webhooks. The Pro plan is $399 per month and gives you the most advanced features. It lets you manage 3 websites, 100 products, and up to 100,000 contacts. Plus, you get everything from the growth plan. On top of that, it offers extra options like a custom code editor. When looking at these pricing models, it helps to think about what matters most to you. If you mainly want a place where your community can connect and chat, and you're not too worried about running courses or email campaigns, Mighty Networks could be a good choice. It's affordable and simple. However, if you're planning to build a full online business with multiple income sources like courses, coaching, and podcasts, Kajabi might be worth the higher price. It comes with all the tools you need in one place. Now, moving on to the user experience. Both platforms have clean, modern designs, but they focus on different priorities. Mighty Networks feels like a social hub. It's easy to use and focuses on community spaces, event calendars, and discussion boards. You can set up sections for different topics, add custom feeds, and even make private groups for smaller communities. The whole experience feels lively and interactive. It's great if you want your members to feel like they're part of a growing, active network that changes and improves with their input. On the other hand, Kajabi is a more structured and business-focused platform. platform. When you log in, you'll see a dashboard that keeps everything in one place: your courses, marketing emails, landing pages, and sales funnels. Plus, the website builder is really strong. You can quickly create custom landing pages and blog posts without any issue. Kajabi also has a branded mobile app, though it's newer compared to Mighty Networks' well-established mobile experience. Now, let's take a look at the community features of each platform. Mighty Networks really stands out for its focus on building strong communities. It gives members a space to share posts, leave comments, and join live events. For example, you can create separate groups within your community. This helps you organize members by interests or how engaged they are. If you're a fitness coach, you can have one group for beginners, another for advanced athletes, and one more for nutrition tips. These features make Mighty Networks a strong choice if your business is built on member interaction. Kajabi has really improved its community features. It used to focus mostly on course creation, but now it offers tools to build strong community spaces that connect perfectly with its other features. With Kajabi, you can create a community that links directly to your courses and coaching programs. This makes it easy for members to jump from watching a lesson to joining a discussion or attending live Q&A sessions. Although Kajabi's community tools might not be as detailed as Mighty Networks at first glance, they are part of an all-in-one platform. For example, if you're launching a course on digital marketing, you can set up a community area where students can discuss lessons, share experiences, and give feedback, all without leaving Kajabi. This kind of integration is a big advantage when you want to grow your online business in a seamless way. While both platforms have great features, the right choice depends on what you need most. If your main goal is to create a buzzing, interactive community where people can connect, share, and collaborate, Mighty Networks is a solid option. It's packed with tools for discussions, events, and live interactions, creating an engaging space that's hard to match with a more general platform. However, if you're looking for a tool to manage your entire online business, like courses, email marketing, a website, or revenue from podcasts or coaching, Kajabi might be the better fit. Its all-in-one setup keeps things simple and grows with your business. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. As promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra though, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you will get them all for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to share what I've learned and help you get started with setting up your online business using Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.